Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I tell you how to draw a droplet. Okay, first step, which color you want, shade it. Okay, then same color to round it. And then rounded portion, erase it. Again, then round of the circle, top and bottom portions are there. Top of the portion shaded, that means top of the half portion shaded same color slightly. Then bottom of the portion black color shaded. Next step, merge inner portion, that we have used a white color pencil to merge it. And then finally take a good nature look droplet. So I used a whitener. Suppose you have a gel pen, white gel pen. You used a white gel pen, that is a good option. But I have whitener, so I used whitener. So this is a method for draw a droplet. In this method, I used 4 different variant colors used droplets. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click the like button. If you want more drawing videos, keep support my channel and keep watching my channel. Thank you, friends.